Hey, William.
Hey, guys. Today, we're making a small apple pie.
A small apple pie.
Yep. And then, you and me and Mama are going to eat it up.
Well, probably not Mama. Mama's on a diet. We got a mini pie maker, some silicone pies to make like 4-inch pies. And since our apple tree is finally giving us apples, we're going to make apple pies.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so my dough has been chilling in the fridge for an hour or so. It's ready to use. And I got out my little, my little pie maker, right? It's a little silicone baking tray for what they call ventilation discs. Put one in each one. It's got a cutter for the pie, then it's got a cutter for the top, then it's got for the little lattice. Okay, so we're just going to roll out our dough. And I cut the dough in half. There's some more. Because I just don't have room. Which is one reason why we got the little pie maker. We were making tomato pies the other day. And we used our own, first time we ever used homemade pie dough. And it was just too much space. We want to make sure that we get as many of these as we can. So, push down. There you go. Good job. And then we're going to...
We got one. Woo!
Alright.
I love that piece. Let's see if we can get another one.
Hold on.
We don't have any more spots.
You're right, because I would have had 2 spots. But now I've got to roll it out again. Alright, so we cut up 1 large Granny Smith apple, peeled. Now we're going to put in half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And wasn't quite camera ready, but there's our tops. And then we also made a little egg wash. Alright? Then we're just going to put about 1/3 full. Alright, Boo, you want to help put tops on?
Yay! I do.
Now what we're going to do, scoot back, let me do this part. You're going to put a little egg wash on there.
I can't believe... What's this? What's this?
That's the dough. Watch your head.
I'm going to put the last one.
Okay. It's broke apart. We'll let you press them down.
How does they get broken?
Some little boy was acting a fool.
Who?
I don't know his name.
Me?
Maybe.
I don't think it was me.
I don't think it was you. Let's take a fork.
Hey, I want to do it. That's my favorite.
We're just doing it on the edges. Just doing it on the edges. Oh, not so quite so.
You're hitting me. I want to taste that one.
Oh, hold on.
Can I eat some of these apples?
Sure.
Are they not good?
They're very good.
Can I eat one now?
Mm-hmm. Those have sprinkles on them. Now we're going to bake these at 400 for about 20 minutes. We've just baked them. They pop out real easy. Look at that. You get your fork. Get the fork. We're not heathens.
I just want to eat the bread.
Now, look. Look. Take the thing.
Oh, that's right. Cut it. I can do this myself.
Get some apple. Get some apple. Right here. Look. Get a piece with apple. So it's a little drier. My dough's a little drier than last time I made it, but I didn't really change the recipe much.